So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope everyone is waiting for this video. So definitely this video will be very helpful for you. Okay, so before start this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more job updates. We are posting each and every job updates, and yeah, whatever the top exam patterns and cutoff marks and free answers, options, tricks, each and everything were posted in this YouTube channel. So recently we have started this YouTube channel, so please subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, so in the left side you can join free jobs group, the link in the description as well as comment section. Okay, so in person free answers, offline exams is started 4th October, 5th October, and the interview will be 6th October. Okay, within just 10 days you will get the Infosys job. Okay, if you follow this video, each and every instruction step by step. Okay, I'll cover you each and every topic and option tricks. Okay, if you don't have any knowledge, like zero knowledge in aptitude, reasoning and pseudocodes and puzzle, but you will clear the exam. Okay, if you follow the our options tricks process. Okay, I'll tell you each and every step by step process. So let's get into the video. Okay, so yeah, the screenshots somewhere else, somewhere it's a blur. Okay, so yeah, you can see registration is completed. Okay, registration is completed and shortlisted process is completed, and now online exam is started. Okay, so whatever the venue details you are receiving, that's not a exam mail. Okay, so before 24 hours, okay, before 24 hours you will receive the online assessment test mail. Okay, so like this, so there will be the test link, test user id, one time password. These information will be shared with like before start your exam, like before 24 hours. Okay, so the yeah, now let's discuss the complete online test pattern. So before start the pattern process, so you already achieve three steps. Okay, shortlisted process is completed, online assessment link also you received. Okay, so now you have very important two steps will be there, that is the step 3 and step 4, exam clearance, interview clearance. So guys, if you concentrate about towards this step 3 and step 4, 200 to 300% you will get the job within 10 days. Within 10 days is nothing but like your result will be decided within 10 days. Okay, now Infosys as per their business requirements they will release the offer letter as well. Okay, so very important. So let's get into the some exam pattern. So you already know about the pattern, right? Reasoning, mathematical ability, verbal ability, pseudocode test and puzzle solving. Okay, so there is a in the last year, in the last few years back, 100 minutes exam will be there, but now there will be the chances to 120 minutes like that. But accordingly pattern will be changes as per their like students hiring process. Like if they want to hire more students, the pattern and exam paper also very tough. Okay, so like that pattern will be somewhere else changes. Almost 99.99% is pattern will be same, reasoning ability and verbal ability, aptitude, all this stuff. And there is a 1% chances, 0.5 0.1% chances will be questions will be extra. Okay, like networking, like that they will chances to give the questions. Okay, so now pseudocode question. So here is the last 1.5 years back. Okay, last 1.5 years back real time interview questions, those who are selected through our page, Infosys system engineer role, that is the offer letter. So this is the last real-time interview questions. So I'll just explain this question only. Okay, the puzzle questions, like marks will be 2 marks. Okay, there will be the 4 puzzle questions and each puzzle question will be 2 marks question. Okay, so if you solve 2 questions, then the cutoff will be maintained in the sectional cutoff marks. Okay, so here is the puzzle question: 2 4 3 4 question mark 6 36 49 81. Okay, so you can observe 2 2 plus 4. Okay, you can observe this like vertical way. 2 plus 4 6. Okay, so 6 square 36. Okay, so 4. Okay, 4 plus 3. Okay, whatever the answer you can guess. 7 7 square 49. So you can check. Okay, here the trick will be square. Okay, for add these two numbers and square whatever the total number will become, that is the square is equals to 36. Same as you can repeated this pattern. So you can also see this pattern: 3 plus 6, how much? 9, right? So 9 square is equals to 81. So like this you have to check the puzzles. Okay, so suppose if you want to easy way to solve, suppose if you already know about these puzzle questions practice: addition, subtraction, multiplication, cubes, like this. Okay, difference between these two numbers also very important. Addition, add two numbers, subtract two numbers, and square the total number, like that. So if you follow these three tricks to um, approach the way, definitely this your puzzles will be solved easily. Okay, without any efforts. You just randomly give the logic like 2 square, 4 square, 3 square, like that. You can randomly check whether the time will be giving you more. Okay, suppose if the whether the time will be less, you can solve um, easily. I'll tell you in the next slides options tricks, so you can follow those option tricks. Okay, so that is the first question. Each puzzle question will be 2 marks question. Okay, so here is the next question. You can take the screenshot and you can practice these questions, because I'm not I'm not give you each and every answers, so you can check the question and you can solve the or practice the question. Okay, so this is the next question. The pics will be somewhere else, somewhere blur, so I'll share these question pics in the Telegram channel, so you can join the free Telegram channel, that link in the description. Okay, so coming to the reasoning syllabus. Okay, so here is the blood relation analogy, coding deduction, or syllogisms, sitting arrangements. I think everyone know about the sitting arrangements and number series and pattern models and figure counting. Okay, so these are the logical reasoning syllabus. I'll show you the one example. So this is a question: find the missing figure which follows the same pattern and rule and mark it is as the answer. Okay, so you can just observe these blocks, whatever the like questions will be like images will be shown. You just observe these images and you can find out the right image to match that logic. Okay, so that is the very important type of questions. These type of questions, approximately 4 to 5 questions will be came. Okay, so the cutoff marks for this section, mostly these type of questions. So that's why I'll show you these questions. Definitely very important questions. Okay, so this is the one more pattern. Okay, you can see, just observe these patterns and find out the right image to fill this question mark. Okay, I hope who are practicing these type of questions will be very so much very understandable for those students. But who are not preparing, you just apply the logic, definitely answer will be came. Okay, so here is the aptitude syllabus. I think every final year students will be know about the aptitude syllabus in placement coordinator. like they will be share the patterns, right? So time and work, ration, proportion, mixtures and delegation, permutation and combination, these type of questions will be came. Yeah, if you don't have knowledge in these topics, I'll show you the option tricks. You can follow those option tricks. Okay, if you have a knowledge, then you can practice these topics. Okay, the mostly 60% cutoff will be maintained, will be permutations and combination, and profit and loss, speed, time, distance and percentages. Okay, these four topics will be very important. Okay, so finally, the next section, variability. Okay, so every slide I'm showing WCP. Okay, what is WCP? WCP is the software. Previously Infosys is conducting exams in this software. Okay, WCP. So during the exam you must install this WCP software. I don't know this year this WCP software will be tie up with Infosys or not, but last 1.5 years back this software will be tie up with Infosys. Okay, so that's the thing, that's the reason I have mentioned WCP software. If you want, you can cross check the Google as well. So verbal ability syllabus was spellings and articles and synonyms and antonyms. So trust me, synonyms and antonyms will be one major cutoff, and sentence completion and paragraph questions. These three topics will be give you the wings. Wings is nothing but cutoff clearance. Okay, so that is the verbal ability topics and cutoff. So I'll clearly show you what is the exactly cutoff marks for the Infosys. Okay, this is the more than enough to maintain the cutoff. You will be selected for the interview. Okay, so logical reasoning 60%, mathematical ability 60%, verbal ability 65%, and pseudocode 60%, and puzzle solving 60%. Okay, the pseudocodes will be little bit tough. Okay, so little bit tough if you don't have knowledge in pseudocodes. So I'll tell you the option tricks, you can follow those option tricks. Okay, so yeah, I'll give you patterns and like each and every section exam patterns and topics, and I'll give you the most four topics for the each and every section, and also cutoff. So please be careful with that exam, don't be tension, just follow our instructions, definitely your exam will be cleared. Okay, now the most important slide will be came, that is the, if you don't have any knowledge for the all these patterns, what was the uh, tips and tricks to clear the exam without any knowledge. Okay, but don't blame us, but definitely 90% these this will be this will be workout for the those who don't have any knowledge in those patterns like aptitude, reasoning, verbal, all this stuff. Okay, so firstly, type 1 first way, who are having a knowledge. Knowledge is nothing but, yeah, few students have, every student have a knowledge, but there is a sometimes of luck also there. So if you have a knowledge like those practicing time and distance, like aptitude related and verbal related topics, so if you have a knowledge, firstly you have to solve the paper. Okay, firstly you have to solve the paper, and you note down the answers options, like what is the most repeated option, uh, correct answers. Suppose if you write a time and distance, the board will be came this direction like that, so that question answer will be B. Okay, so and another five questions, whatever the questions you are solving, those answers will be also mostly D. So five times B option will be repeated. Okay, five times B option will be repeated. So those who are repeat those who are answered those questions, you just note down the repeated options. If you don't know other questions answers, you just put it the most repeated option. Okay, Most repeated option is nothing but you are answering all the questions. The option B will be most repeated option. Then you can put the if you don't know other question answers. Definitely 90% will be uh, like workout. 90% will be workout. Okay, so that is the first way. Suppose type 2. Okay, this is the most important for the students. Type 2 will be if you don't know any single answer, then what you have to do. Okay, so this is the most researching thing. Like previously most of the students will be we are helping or we are give you the guidance and all. So this is the tricks. If you don't have any knowledge in answers, like whatever the topics we are showing, Infosys is conducting the exam. Firstly, I think at least 1% of answers will be you know about the questions and answers. So firstly, whatever the 1%, 2% or 5% answers, you just like complete your exam as per your knowledge. Next 95% answers will be do like this. For the aptitude, that means mathematical ability, put option B for every option. Okay, for the reasoning put option A. Okay, so for the verbal ability put option A or C. Mostly option A will be repeated as per my research. So for the pseudo codes put option B or D. My preferred option will be D, so it's your choice. So puzzle logic is very easy compared to previous sections. Puzzle logic is very easy, but mostly option B will be correct answer. Okay, so these are the option tricks. If you want, you can take the screenshot. These are the mostly repeated options we have researched uh, previously who are completed the exams. Okay, so that is the thing you we have covered this. But type 2, don't, if you don't know single answers, follow these options, then came after exam or after selection in this video. Then you can comment, sir, this option tricks will be work out. So thanks for this video. Like that you can comment. Okay, so definitely this uh, tricks will be helpful. So after exam you definitely understand the why we give you the tips regarding who don't know any knowledge regarding those topics. Okay, so that's for the topics tip like tricks related stuff. Okay, so now you can see the mail regarding previously students receiving the survey link. 4th October exam, Sunday 5th October, depends on the venues. 4th or 5th October exams will be there, and 6th Monday interviews will be there. So within 1 week or 10 days you will get the result as well. So definitely 200% selections will be chances very high, because offline exam cutoff will be very less. Okay, so that's it for today's video. But phase 2 exams is started this month, and so please be patient, because there is a venues will be very less. So they started batch wise exams, so please stay tuned for the batch 2 exams. Okay, so this month end is expected. Okay, so finally thanks for watching this video until the end. So please join the WhatsApp channel for free jobs daily, and subscribe my YouTube channel if our content will be helpful for you. Okay, this is a real time content. Definitely you love this video. Okay, so like this video and share with your friends, and follow our WhatsApp channel and Instagram pages. um, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you want this PDF or questions, I'll share it with you in WhatsApp. Okay, Thank you, thank you, bye bye.